Hello there, well, here we are once again, this time with mother of Xerxes, Misha, and Xerxes, you can possibly see over there, maybe, I don't know, and of course Marley, big daft dog. Oh, dog walking video. In fact, I think you can see Xerx there, can't you? There. And there's his mum. So yeah, I'm now taking 2 cats and a dog for a walk. Come on then, missus, you coming? Honestly. I've been thinking about this situation with Trump and his apparent appointment, or soon to be appointment, when he wins. Let's face it, he's going to win, it's not fair anymore, is it? But his apparent appointment of those cats are just mad, aren't they? They're just insane. Decided they're going to come with me. What's this? Anyway, his apparent appointment of Jamie Dimon as the Fed chief, and Larry Fink as Treasury Secretary, and so I've learnt as well, Eric Prince as who's a former head of Blackwater, that are the next to Wagner, probably the largest private military corps in the world. Well, actually no, the French Foreign Legion are bigger than them, but get the general idea. Anyway, sit, good boy, stay. That's it, good boy, good lad. Stay, that's it, good lad. He spins around a lot when he sees cars normally. It's alright, stay calm, mister, it's okay. See, it's not going to get you, not going to get you. See, it's alright. Oh, nice, good boy, right. So, yeah. And then you get JD Vance, is come on, out the road, silly dog. Marley, come on. You get JD Vance, his VP. Marley, up! Come on, move it. Right, sit down, sit. Come on, Zerx, out the road. Zerky, out, come on, shift. Move it, mister, come on. Zerky, come on. Zerxes, move. Good boy, good lad, good boy. Right, come on, get out of the road, you stupid moggy. Right, JD Vance. I think I mentioned already his connections to Palantir and Walmart, Peter Thiel. Whichever way you want to look at this, essentially you have this exact same situation that you're going to have last time, only a lot more aggressive, I think, with the policies being made. No matter which way you look at this, it's not a good thing. It's not good. There's no way of sugarcoating it. There's no way of twisting it round to be oh well, he's just keeping his enemies close and all that fucking bollocks. No, you can't do that. Can't do that. It does not fit that narrative in any sense of the word. He's surrounding himself with the swamp. Now, there's 2 options as to why. One, this was a plan all along. She very well could be. Right, mate? Not so bad. Or two. That this assassination attempt on him was enough to scare him significantly into doing exactly what the swamp wants him to do. In any one of those scenarios, we're left in a very troubling situation. Oh, shut up, stupid dog. Sorry. Calm down, you. He will do a few things. He'll probably get the economy going again, which is fair enough. But that's only to give the Fed coin a bit of a boost. If you don't know what I mean, this is the central bank digital currency that they've had pretty much running, but through their central bank for the past 3 years, 4 years. It's gone through its test phase and everything else. This is something that Trump actually signed into law and signed up the Federal Reserve into starting. Sit, good boy, good lad, good boy, calm, good lad, good boy, come on. Michi, come on. Yeah, so like I said, this is something that Trump actually signed up for and started the Fed off at looking at back in 2018, I think, 2019. It was before the pandemic anyway, put it that way, yeah. That and 5G and everything else. This is something I've been trying to keep a close eye on, especially now that Larry Fink's involved, Blackrock, with the Treasury, with the US Treasury, and also with Jamie Dimon being in control of the Fed. Both of them have been very vocal about Bitcoin lately, which is also troubling to say the least. I've got the funny feeling that Trump getting in is to encourage the American people into taking this Federal Reserve digital currency, yeah, the CBDC, right? What better way to get someone to get on board with it that are very sort of reluctant, yeah, usually, than give them a hero that's promoting it. Unfortunately, I got a horrible feeling that's what they're doing. I hope to God I'm wrong.